Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, if you guys watched my last video, you would know that one of the slimes I got from Snoop Slimes was incorrect. So I went ahead and emailed them, asking them to give me the right slime, and then, unfortunately they don't do like replacement slimes like some slime shops do, but they did give me a gift card for that. And they responded to me very quickly, because usually they said it takes like 2 or 4 days to reply back to people, but they responded back like a day after, I think, maybe the same day. But anyways, enough ranting, let's get on with the video. So, I ordered more Snoop slimes, and I got the right one, by the way, but I couldn't decide which one I wanted exactly, so I went ahead and got all of them. Well, not all of them, but all the ones I wanted, because first of all, it's holiday edition, so they're only out for a certain amount of time, and second of all, why not? And who knows if these slimes will even be available next year. So anyways, that's a really long intro. Let's just get on with the video. So first off, I'm going to start off with the extras. Of course, it comes with the care packets. You know, just the average care package, you know, has like the business card, their social medias, and, you know, borax, you know, as usual. But, you know, yeah, it comes with that, obviously, like most slime shops do. It also comes with 3 squishies as well. We have this koala one right here, this ice cream cone, and then this, I'm pretty sure this is either, I think this is a cow. I'm not gonna lie, I first thought that this is a giraffe because of the coloring, but looking at it now, I'm pretty sure it's a cow, but it's cute. And I'm not really much of a squishy person, but these are really cute though, and these are fun to fidget around with, you know, whatnot. So anyways, I'm going to start off with the slimes now. Let's start with this one. This is some kind of apple slime. What's it called? Winter Kitty Apple Crisp. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be like apple scented, so that's what I'm expecting. Here's the base. The base is this like bingsu bead slime, so it's are a bit cold right now because, you know, because they're outside. It's pretty cold on my lip right now, so it might be a little rippy right now, but I can't wait any longer to play with these, honestly. So yeah, but once they soften up and get warmer, then they'll be better. But right now they are a little rippy right now, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, and then this is I think it's an icy slime maybe. Oh, it's not. It's another crunchy slime. This is a snowfoot slime. Okay, again, I apologize for the rippiness, but again, it's cold. It's cold outside now, so the slimes are very cold right now. But again, I can't wait any longer. So, and they'll get better once they warm up. So don't think that they're just like this and all together, because they're not. But anyways, smells really good. Now, I'm not sure how exactly they do this, but I'm just gonna lay it on top here because I'm lazy. And it comes with these like sprinkles and whatnot, so yeah. It also comes with an apple charm, so. Okay, puts it like that. That looks really bad, but you know, who cares? This is actually really pretty. Okay, so here's how it looks all together. I don't want to tip it too much. I really like it. It looks really pretty. I like the representation of it. It's very glittery. Now I'm going to mix it up, so yeah. I'll get that out of the way for you guys so you can see me doing this better. It smells like apples, which is really good. Well, it's a very solid smell though. Like, it's not very strong, but it could be just because, you know, how cold it was outside. So once this mix turns into this really, really nice red color, and it has great bubble pops too, which I love. I'm gonna give the slime a 9 out of 10. Even though it's rippy right now, well, it's not that rippy, but you know, because of the cold weather. But overall, I really like this slime. I think it's really fun to play with. I love the crunches it makes and stuff. So I'm gonna slime a 9 out of 10. So yeah, on to the next one. Up next, we have a slime called Frosty Float. So yeah, this is a Frosty the Snowman themed slime. And you know, as you guys know, Frosty's one of the classic Christmas movies, so of course I had to get this one. So, anyways. This is a pretty sure butter slime. It is. Wow, this feels so good. It's cold right now, but it feels really good. And it smells so good. I think it smells like, I can't remember what scent this is, so I'll have to look it up, and I'll have it like look it up or something later on, but it smells like cake batter maybe? I'm not sure, but it smells really good and it's so soft. So that's the base of it. It's a very soft buttery texture. Love it. It also comes with this clay piece, which is an ice cream scoop, I guess you could say. It's white with like glitter on it. I think it's like red and green glitter. I don't know if you guys can see that in camera, but really pretty. It has this drizzly slime as well as clear slime. So pretty. Okay, it's a little bit pretty now, but it's okay because we're gonna add it on. Yeah, it looks terrible, but you know, who cares? I love clay slimes because they're so much fun to mix in, so yeah. So here it is in all its glory. Before I mix it all up, you guys can take a picture if you want to. Really cute and pretty. I love the colors. Now I'm going to mix it up. I also hook up like extra container, so because sometimes inflate and stuff, it's not like I can like put them both in here. So that's nice that it comes like that, because sometimes shops don't do that specifically. So yeah. So once it's mixed, it turns to this light blue color. It's a very nice dense clay slime. It feels so good. By the way, I love the texture of it. So it smells amazing too. So yeah. Now I can stop playing with it. Okay, so before I play with this for like an hour straight, let's move on to the next slime. Next is a slime that I wanted originally. This is the Christmas tree slime. Pretty sure it is. Yeah, it is. Anyways. Here's the base of it first. Base is a more buttery texture slime. Again, buttered slime. Smells so good. It smells like, I think it's supposed to be brown sugar scented maybe. I can't remember the scent of it honestly, but it smells really good. It also, the scent reminds me of Christmas tree too, so that's a plus point, but yeah. Love the texture of it. Comes with the Christmas tree clay piece, of course. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought. I thought the clay piece would be a lot bigger because it looked bigger on camera, like like in the pictures and stuff. So, yeah. Anyways, Okay, this is so gorgeous. Look at it. It's a clear slime with like, we look closely, there's like little glitter pieces in it, and I love it. Like, it's so pretty. I did not know there was glitter in this either, but it's very solid glitter, but it's so gorgeous. I love it. This is really pretty, like a really pretty green glitter slime. So across there's like sprinkles and stuff. There's like peppermint charms and like themel slices or candy canes and green and red glitter pieces, or like sprinkles, and you know, here's what they look like. It's really going everywhere right now, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it, so bear with me. Okay, I know it doesn't look very good right now, but that's okay, because we're going to mix it up anyway, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. Okay, put a little. Okay, here's it in all its glory. Looks so cute, by the way. I love how I did like the little bow on top of it. Here it is. Looks so cute. Now it's time to mix it all up. Also, sorry for the background noise. My sisters are watching a movie in the other room, so yeah. Once it's mixed up, it turns into this really nice, sizzly clay slime, which is amazing, by the way. I love clay slimes. Like, they're probably my favorite texture right now. Great scent, great texture. Love the color too, because the green's one of my favorite colors, and I love the vibe of it. It's like very Christmassy, so yeah, I'm gonna give a slime a 10 out of 10. So yeah, on to the next one. Up next is the North Pole Iceberg slime. So it comes with this base. I think this is a clear slime. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Oh, it's a jelly slime. Okay. Smells like mint. So, oh wow, this is so pretty, guys. I also want to mix this up. This is honestly probably one of the prettiest I've ever seen. Look at this, guys. It's like this really nice royal blue color. It's gorgeous. I love the color, but it's so pretty. I also don't want to mix this up right now because it's just so pretty, but you know, I have to do it for the video, so yeah. Right now I'm going to play with it for a little bit though. Before I have to mix it up. So yeah. Love the texture of it. It's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Love it. Gorgeous. Anyways, enough ranting about that. Comes with this like mountain snow thingy. I don't know what to call it, honestly. Comes with this clear slime that's like blue. Oh, this is so pretty too. This slime is so gorgeous, right? This slime is so gorgeous. I love this texture. I love the color of it. This is like a light blue / greenish clear slime with like some very subtle glitters in it. Beautiful. Comes with these sprinkles too, as well as these 2 stick charms, like snowman stick charms. This is so cute, by the way, guys. I love this. This is so cute. Okay. Oh, there's a little carrot charm as well. Almost little snowman with thing. This is so cute. My problem is how am I gonna get the little black glitter pieces out? Wait, I think I got it. Let me just turn this guy around. Let's pull snowman. Or not. Okay. This is so cute, guys. I love this. I'm gonna get our glitter part out. Potentially, hopefully, maybe. I do wish they like put the little black beads in this snowman nose, like in a separate bag or something, because this is very difficult to get out. So, yeah. This is so cute. Look at him. Look how adorable it is. Anyways, time to mix them up, unfortunately. This time is so beautiful. Like, the base of it is so beautiful. I always want to mix it up, but but I'm looking for a see what the texture is going to be like when I do, so. What this next up turns into is really pretty light blue slate slime, I think it is called, because it's not completely like a clay slime necessarily, but it feels so good. It's so pretty too. I love the color of it. But anyways, on to the very last slime. And yeah, also I'm gonna slime a 9 out of 10. Actually, no, 10 out of 10 because it's so gorgeous. So yeah. Last time of the day, but certainly not the least, we have the, what's it called again? Snowmal crispy treat. And fun fact, I don't like marshmallows or Rice Krispie treats very much, but this time was so cute, so I had to get it. So yeah. Here's the base. Another bar slime, of course, but it's okay because you know we love bar slime, so at least I do. This slime smells so good too. So of course with the glitter, not glitter, the Rice Krispie treat piece, if I can get the lid open. These are hard to open, guys, not gonna lie. It got open. Oh, this, I think this is a glossy slime. It's glossy slime. Okay, this is just a plain glossy slime, white glossy slime, nothing special to see over here. So goes with this, those sprinkles are like these like little penguin sizes with some white and blue snowflake sprinkles and some white circle sprinkles, I guess you could say. They'll look like this. Also comes with this like glittery snowflake charm as well, which is so cute. So here is in all its glory. Sure, you guys can see it. Full snowflake charm in it first. You guys can see what that looks like. Now it's time to mix it up. So once it's mixed, I'm going to turn it into this really nice clay slime, light blue color, so gorgeous. I love the color of it. And yeah, now I'm going to do my final conclusion on all the slimes and what I think about them. So yeah. So anyways, that's it for today's video. I thought all the slimes were amazing. I loved them all very much. I thought they were all great textures, great scents, great colorings, all that fun stuff. So anyways, that's it for today's video. If you guys like to hit like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye!